Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making spicy chili with beans. It's slow simmered for the ultimate comfort in a bowl. It's easy to customize and even better the next day. Let's get started. We're starting with some olive oil and white onion. Add some salt and fry for about 5 minutes until they're soft. This is chopped jalapeño with the seeds removed, and chopped garlic. Fry for another minute. Now let's add the tomato paste, cayenne pepper, cumin, chili powder, paprika, oregano, and black pepper. It was getting a little dry, so I added some water to keep the spices from burning. This is ground pork and ground beef, which I broiled in the oven to save some time. Add it to the pot and break it down further to your desired consistency. This is 1 large can of whole tomatoes, which I crush with my hands. I'm adding 1 can of beer, which is optional. You can substitute with beef broth. Add the bay leaves, brown sugar, and Worcestershire sauce. Cover and simmer for at least 20 minutes. Then add the beans. I'm using canned pinto beans and kidney beans, but any type of bean would work. Cover and simmer for another 10 minutes. Would you serve this with rice, crackers, or tortilla? I garnished this with some cheese, onions, and scallions. What would you top it with? This chili is spicy, hearty, and so comforting. Hope you try it and let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.